Hello beautiful divas, welcome back to my channel Nakshi Kantha. Today I will show you some beautiful designer Kantha hand stitch embroidery sarees. The first saree, it's on pure Jari Tasar with hand painting and a sequin work with Kantha stitch mix and match. See the pallu. We have done an abstract Kantha embroidery with beautiful color dyeing with the chota sequin. Okay, now in the yoke portion or in the front, these all are Kantha stitch embroidery on pure tasar with jodi border, with zari border and the all over sari you will get this look. All over sari. See the color combination of the middle portion of the sari. It's a very nice blue color. It's a two-tone color. Now I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Wow, the blouse has a interesting border with the Kantha. It's an abstract motif. And this is the final look of the sari. Very nice saree, very nice, very unique. It's all over Kantha on a hand painting on pure Jari Tasar with silk mark, and the price is 6800. The price is 6800. See. Okay. Now the second saree also in on Jari Tasar, pure Gachi Tasar, Jari Tasar. The design, very smart design. First I am showing you the pallu, the aanchal. This is the aanchal design. See the hand work, the hand stitch, Kantha stitch. And now I am showing you the body portion. It's a very nice saree. See the block print, and upon the block print we have done Kantha all over the saree with the sequin work. All over you will get this sequin design. Very smart design on a pure Gachi Tasar with the zari border. Very smart. I must say it's a very nice, very corporate look, but a designer piece. Very nice. And I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. It's a black one. And the blouse border will go like this kind of hand Kantha stitch embroidery with the sequin work. And this is the final look of the saree. See. Very nice, very smart design. All over you will get Kantha embroidery on pure Jari Tasar, and price will be the same, 6800. Price is 6800. Now comes one very interesting, same as mine one, Batik Kantha. Wow, the combination. It's a unique color combination. See the combination. It's a royal blue with black. Yes, it's a royal saree. I mean hardly you will get this combination anywhere. Royal blue and black Batik Kantha. Wow, very uncommon, very nice Kantha. All over we have done Kantha with royal blue threads on black, and this is the temple border on the lower portion of the saree. I am showing you the final look of the saree. The all over saree you will get this temple. And this is the pallu design. Wow, very nice color combination. It's a pretty royal blue. And the price is 7500. The price is 7500. And now I am showing you the blouse also. And this is the blouse. Blouse you will get royal blue thread embroidery on black. The price is 7500. Now one very nice color combination. It's a mehendi green. Some mehendi green. See the work. It's a very nice, we call it meenakari, very intricate kantha work. You will hardly get this kind of hand stitch. Close up. See the intricacy. It took at least 8 to 9 months to complete a sari. To complete a whole sari, it took 8 to 9 months. The material is pure Bangalore silk. The material is pure Bangalore silk. Now I will show you the pleats portion. It has a beautiful, interesting pleats. It has a triangle pleats. It has a triangle pleats. Very smart design. Once you drape it now, you will get the final look. It's very nice. You will get the triangle pleats. See, this is the sari. Wow. Very nice color combination. It's a mehendi green with a temple partly pallu design. And the price is 8,000. The price is 8,000. I am showing you the pallu only. It's a very nice pallu design. See. And this is the blouse. The price is 8,000. Now on pure tasar, pure gachi tasar. Also you will get silk mark on each sari from Nakshi Kantha. It's a tasar we have dyed, beautifully dyed with a multicolor dyeing. See the pallu design. It's a very nice color combination. All are pastel shape on the pleats and on the border and the pallu. See the work. See the kantha embroidery, kantha stitch. It's all are hand stitch done with needle, hand needle. And see the border. Wow, very nice color combination. Very nice color combination. And the price is 8,500. And I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Multicolored dyeing blouse. Very, very nice look you will get once you stitch the blouse. Na? See, all over sari will go like this. All over the sari. All over. These all are katha stitch. Not printed. All are katha. Okay. And see the border. Very intricately done the border design. Okay, the price is 8,500. The price is 8,500. Now comes one pure Bangalore silk. Pure Bangalore silk. Wow, see the color. It's a midnight blue with the Madhubani folk design. It's a Madhubani pallu. Very nice color combination. And the thread color is a white. It's a pretty white. It will very nicely go with any white jewelry or any pearl jewelry. See the design of the pallu. Very nice design. You can make it as a wall hanging also. After so many years, she will never bore of this saree. So the pleats will be like this. The temple with the Madhubani design. Very nice color combination. It's a midnight blue. And I am showing you the first fold and second fold. This is the first fold. And this is the second fold. So all over sari you will get this temple design. And the price is 7,500 pure Bangalore silk. All sari will get silk mark. Now another pure Bangalore silk sari. It's a multicolor on the purple. It's not a purple, it's a magenta color. It's a magenta color. It's a perfect for any wedding or any party. It will look very gorgeous wearing this design. It's a kalka design, it's a paisley design. Very nice color combination. It's a multicolored katha stitch embroidery on a pure Bangalore silk. See the work quality. So all over sari you will get this design. Now this is the first fold. I am showing you the first fold of the sari. And this is the second fold. All over sari will get these buttas, all over sari. And I am showing you the blouse also. This is the blouse design. And the price is 7500. Now it's a pretty royal blue. And the design, it's a very gorgeous design. This is the first fold. See the intricate work, very intricate work. All over sari will go like this, and the thread color is off-white and the tassar color thread. See the work quality, it's very nice, very fine embroidery with katha stitch. Please subscribe our channel to get all our new videos on purely hand katha stitch. And this is the second fold of the sari. Okay, and I am showing you the blouse also. This is the blouse. This is the blouse. So both the sleeve you will get this design. And the price is 7500. The price is 7500. The material is pure Bangalore silk. You will get silk mark. This is another pure Bangalore silk, black and red. Wow. Black and red is a gorgeous combination. See the work. All over sari will go like this. It's a pure Bangalore silk and the price is 7500. Fully kantha stitch embroidery on all over the sari. And this is the blouse. This is the blouse. The border will come in the blouse. See the temple. It's very pretty temple. It's a small temple. It will come all over your blouse. So, in the pleats you will get like 18-inch border. The whole sari you will get this design. 3 meter of the sari you will get this design. Black with red combination, pure Bangalore silk, 7500. Now another tassar sari. Very pretty color. It's an off-white sari. Base color is an off-white tassar. And all over we have done this intricate katha. See the katha. Very intricate katha embroidery. All over it's a katha. It's not a print. It's a fully hand needle work. And I'm showing you the pallu design. See the pallu design. See. Very nice. The body we have kept it very sober combination all over the body, and pallu we have done little brighter than the body. This is the pallu. It's a big pallu. See the pallu. It's an aanchal, and all over sari you will get like this design. Very nice color combination. You can wear it in any solid color. Any solid color. You will get all colors in this sari. And the price is 7500. I'm showing you the blouse also. This is the blouse. See, the blouse is also very nice. This is the back portion and the lower portion you will get sleeve also. All over you will get all over sleeve. And the last one for today's video is the awesome sari. It's a very nice, it's a pure Vishnupuri Katan silk. Pure Vishnupuri Katan silk, and see the combination. It's a Vishnupuri Katan and a Ghicha Tasar weaving. The katha has been done on the Vishnupuri silk portion, and we have kept the Ghicha portion blank only. So all over you will get katha, all over you will get vertical stripes, and this is the pallu design. It's a heavy all over embroidery pallu. Very nice combination. You will, it will look very pretty on this combination. See the color combination. All are pure silk. It's a high quality 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. This is the first fold. And the all over sari will go like this. And I am showing you the blouse also. It has a very nice blouse. See the blouse. This will come in the back of your blouse, and this to come in the sleeve. Very nice color combination. The price is 7500. So divas, don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will be uploading new videos on katha, saris, dupatta, salwar kameez, and also home furnishing. So please subscribe our channel. Thank you.